Well, certainly opioid abuse touches the lives of so many families here in our region. And on Saturday, January 21st, the Northeast Tennessee Association of Black Social Workers and the National Association of Social Workers will host a panel discussion on the opioid crisis at the Culp Center on the campus of ETSU. Here to share with us more about this important event is Cory Whitfield. And Cory, thanks so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me this morning.
Certainly a very serious topic, an important topic, and as we continue to see, and I'm sure you guys through your organization, just the enormity, like how big this problem really is.
Absolutely. So I think in 2022, we really saw fentanyl become topic of discussions within our community. We had several death-related overdoses within the community, and I think it really sparked a lot of conversation. But I think fentanyl is just one small part of a much larger conversation. The opioid crisis is nothing new in our region, and it's been going on for over a decade now. So I think for far too long, we've been sweeping the issue under the rug, and now it's time for us to actually discuss it.
It is hard to talk about, I think, for so many families who have gone through this, but I feel like finally it seems like we're making that movement to say, we've got to address it, we've got to talk about it, because we've got to find a way to deal with it.
Absolutely. And that's one of the major things about this, is having these open conversations and these open dialogues, especially for those that are out there struggling within our community with addiction. One of the things that they often discuss is not being able to feel vulnerable enough to discuss the mental health concerns that they have and the addiction that they have, so that they can get the assistance that they need.
And there is help out there. I mean, there is a lot of resources in our community once they take that step. So tell us a little bit about sort of what you're planning and how we can be a part of that.
Absolutely. So one of the things that we kind of figured out was, in discussing with several members within the communities, different organizations, local legislators, we have some brilliant minds within this community. I do believe that in the state of Tennessee, some of the most brilliant individuals that we have are right here in the Northeast region of Tennessee. The problem is that nobody knows who these individuals are and the work that they're doing within the community. So what we really wanted to do was bring all of these intelligent minds, whether it be from law enforcement, mental health, addiction, all of these different sectors, bring them to the table and let's talk about it not only amongst us, but the community as well. Let's get the real information out there and clear up the misinformation that's floating around so that we can really get to the bottom of this.
So important. And it does take all those people coming together. It's something that is going to take a lot of different sectors of our community.
Absolutely. Because you can't expect for the police to police addiction away. You can't expect legislators to legislate it away. And you can't expect for therapists to treat addiction away. It takes all of these individuals to come together and be a safety net for the people that are struggling with addiction.
So is this something the public is invited to attend? Families that have maybe faced this can come and listen in?
Absolutely. We want the entire community to be there. We're going to have resource tables there as well. So if you have a family member that's struggling, you can get resources, grant information that will help fund individuals to get the resources and the help that they need. So we want everyone there because it's going to be a great opportunity to get some great information out.
Give them hope.
Yes.
All right, hope for a better tomorrow. We'll give everybody the information. Again, this is coming up Saturday, January 21st. It'll be held at the ETSU campus at the Culp Center Ballroom. It is a free event. For more information, you can scan that QR code that's there on your screen.